Now, question number 3. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 7956 to obtain a perfect square. Find the perfect square number and its square root. How will you do this problem? To do this problem, first we will find the square root of 7956. Now we make a pair from extremely right. First pair is 56 and second pair is 79. Now find the number whose square is nearest to 79. We get 7 into 7 is equal to 49. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Here we see that 9 square is greater than 79. So it goes 8 times. 8 8s are 64. Now do minus. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. And 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Now write down here 8 and add this. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Now bring down another pair 56 here. Now 15 is less than 16. So we add this 5. Then it will become 155. Now it will become 155. Now we divide 155 by 16. It goes 9 times. So write down 9 here and 9 here. Now add 8 plus 8 is equal to 16 and bring down 56. Next pair, another pair, bring down. Now it will become 1556. Now 15 is less than 16, so add 5, we get 155 and read table of 16 to 155. How many times goes 16 into 155? It goes 9 times, so write down 9 here and 9 here. Now you will multiply this. 9 9 are 81, carry 8, 9 6 are 54. 54 and 8 is 62. 9 6 are 54. 54 and 8, 62. Write down 62, carry 6. 9 1 are 9, 9 6, 15. Now subtract it. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So we here see that 35 is the number which can be subtracted from 7956 to make it a perfect square. Now 7956 minus 35, we get 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 and 7 9. 7921 is the perfect square number. 7921 is the perfect square number. Now 7921 we will get, find the square root of this number. We get 8 8 are 64, 5, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1, 8 and 8 is equal to 16. Bring down next pair 21, 16 9s are 144. It goes 9 times. We will multiply 169 by 9. We get 1521. So 89 is the square root of the perfect square number. Then answer is required number. Find the least number which must be subtracted is 35 35 is the least square number, and the perfect square number is 7921, and square root of its square root is 89. Square root of 7921 is 89. This is the answer. Now another problem is find the least number which must be added to 7348 to obtain a perfect square. Find the perfect square and its square root. This is the question. Now the number is 7348. Now number is 7348. To find the square root of this number, we make a pair from extreme right. We make two pairs. First pair is 48, second pair is 73. Now 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 8 is 64. It goes 8 times. Now we will multiply 8 into 8, we get 64. Now 30 minus 4 is equal to 9. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Write down here 8 and add this. We find 8 plus 8 is equal to 60. Now bring down another pair of 48 here. Now we read table of 16 into 94. How many times goes 16 into 94? 16 5s are 80 and 16 6s are 96. If it goes 6 times, then we get 96, and 96 is greater than 94, so we cannot take 6 times. So we will write down here 5 times. Then we will write down here 5 and we will multiply this by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 6s are 30, 30 and 2 32, carry 3, 5 1s are 5, 5 3 8. We will subtract 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 and 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and 9 minus 8 is equal to 123. We see here 85 square is less than 7348 and 7348 is less than 86 square. 86 square. So we get here 86 is the required number, therefore perfect square number is equal to 86 into 86. 86 into 86. Now you will multiply 86 into 86. We get 86 into 86. What will you get? 6 6 are 36. Carry 3. 6 8 are 48. 48 and 3. 51. 0. 8 6 are 48. Carry 4. 8 8 are 64. 64 and 4 68. We get here 6. 8 1 9 and 8 and 5 13. 3 carry 1. 6 and 1 7. We get here 7396. It is the required perfect square number. So what must be subtracted from इतना 7000 इसको हटा दो. So required number is equal to 7396 minus 7348. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8 and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, 0, 0. So required number that must be subtracted will be 48. That number, the required number is 48 and the square root of 7396 is equal to 86. It is the answer. 48 is the required number and 86 is the perfect square root. Square root of the perfect square number 7396 and perfect square number is 7396. Perfect square number is equal to 7348 plus 48, it is equal to 7396. 7348 plus 48, 7396. So required number is 48, perfect square number is 7396 and its square root is 86.